Ciao, my name is Pier Giorgio Rubino, and I'm a functional artist. I'm also the creative director of Studio Nucleo, which specializes in innovative one-off furniture and artwork. From our atelier, we take commission, we collaborate with other artists, and our work is exhibited all over the world in many galleries. Creating each object by hand and exploring new material, I have discovered that resin means making the impossible possible. Resin can be everything, from transparent to matte, from rigid to flexible, from liquid to solid. With resin, we can model and create every kind of object, from furniture to lamps or artworks. Its lightweight nature and visual appeal have made it a superstar material in the interior design. In this Domestika course, you will learn unique techniques to make objects in resin, from the first idea to the finishing touches in every single detail. For the final project, you will design a resin lamp ready to give new light to any space. First, I will show you all the material you need and how to protect yourself, to create your resin pieces. You will discover how to get inspired, how to choose the proper resin to work with, and the importance of molds. I will explain you how to mix, pour, and color the resin, or add organic and inorganic elements. We will sketch and create a model in cardboard, and we will choose the resin, the color, and the lighting effect. We will then look at the electrical components of our light, produce the mold for casting and unmolding our lamp. And finally, I will teach you how to finish and assemble our lamp. By the end of the course, you will be able to bring your own object to life with an ethereal material without borders. To follow my step, no previous experience is required. You need stationary material and protective equipment, such as mask, filters, and gloves. This process also requires epoxy resin, A+B, silicone mold maker, light accessories, and some other materials that you can find online or in the do-it-yourself store. Join me in the fabulous world of resin to create magical and ethereal objects.